Are you ready to supercharge your electric vehicle experience in 2025? Discover the ultimate guide to the fastest, most efficient chargers available today. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are now a common sight on our roads. Owning an EV is becoming easier. However, choosing the right charger is very important. The right home charger makes your EV experience smooth. It ensures your car is always ready for your journey. This guide will help you understand your options. We want you to make a smart choice for your needs. Think carefully about how you use your car. This is the first step to finding the perfect charger. Charging speed is a big factor. There are mainly two levels for home charging. Level 1 chargers are the slowest. They plug into a standard 120-volt household outlet. This is the same outlet you use for a lamp. Level 1 charging adds about 3 to 5 miles of range per hour. This might be okay for plug-in hybrid cars with small batteries. It can also work if you drive very little each day, but for most fully electric cars, level 1 is too slow. It can take a very long time to fully charge. Level 2 chargers are much faster and more practical. These chargers use a 240-volt power source. This is similar to what electric ovens or clothes dryers use. A level 2 charger can add 15 to 60 miles of range per hour. The exact speed depends on the charger's amperage and your car's ability. For most EV owners, this means you can fully charge your car overnight. You wake up to a full battery every morning. This makes range anxiety a thing of the past for daily driving. It is the recommended choice for home charging. Finally, consider your specific use case. How many miles do you drive each day? Do you make long trips often or mostly short ones? If you have a long daily commute, a faster level 2 charger is essential. If you only drive short distances, a lower power level 2 might be fine. Also, think about your access to other charging options. Do you have charging available at your workplace, or will you rely completely on your home charger? Answering these questions will help you narrow down the best charger type and power for your lifestyle. For those who need even faster charging, consider level 3 chargers, also known as DC fast chargers. These chargers can add up to 100 miles of range in just 20-30 minutes. They are typically found at public charging stations and are ideal for long trips or quick top-ups. While not usually installed at home due to their high cost and power requirements, they are a great option for those who need rapid charging on the go. When you look at chargers, check the power output. This is measured in kilowatts or kW. A higher kW number usually means faster charging. For example, a 7.2 kilowatts charger adds range faster than a 3.6 kilowatts one. However, your electric car also has a maximum AC charging rate. If your car can only accept 7.2 kilowatts, buying an 11 kilowatts charger won't make it charge faster. It will only charge at 7.2 kilowatts. So, match the charger's power to your car's capability. Also, ensure your home's electrical panel can support the charger's power draw. Connector type is another key feature. In North America, the J1772 connector is common for most EVs. Tesla vehicles use their own connector, now called NACS, North American Charging Standard. Good news for 2025 is that many automakers are adopting NACS, so you might see more chargers with NACS plugs. Some chargers even come with both or offer easy adapters. Check what connector your current EV uses. Also, think about future cars you might own. Getting a charger with a common or adaptable connector is a smart move. Smart features are becoming standard in 2025 chargers. These features add a lot of convenience. Look for chargers with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity. This allows you to control and monitor charging through a smartphone app. You can schedule charging sessions. This is great for taking advantage of cheaper electricity rates at night. Some apps show energy consumption reports. You might also find features like voice assistant integration. These smart capabilities can make EV charging much easier and more cost-effective for you. Consider whether you want a wall-mounted or a portable charger. Wall-mounted units are fixed installations. They are usually more robust and can offer higher power. They provide a neat and dedicated charging station at home. Portable chargers offer flexibility. You can unplug them and take them with you. This is useful if you have a second home or visit family often. Renters might also prefer portable options. However, portable chargers may have lower power outputs than some wall units. Think about your living situation and charging needs. Several excellent EV chargers are available in 2025. For smart features and high power, the ChargePoint HomeFlex is a popular choice. It offers adjustable amperage. The Tesla Universal Wall Connector is also a top pick. It cleverly includes both NACS and J1772 plugs. This makes it versatile for many EV owners. Always read recent reviews and compare features before making your final decision. Look for UL or ETL safety certifications. Before you buy any charger, check your EV's maximum AC charge rate. You can find this information in your car's owner manual, or you can search online for your specific model. There is no benefit to buying a charger that delivers more power than your car can accept. For example, if your car's limit is 32 amps, about 7.7 kilowatts, a 48 amp charger will still only charge at 32 amps. Knowing this limit helps you choose a cost-effective charger. It prevents you from overspending on unnecessary power. Think about your future needs. Your current EV might have a modest charging speed, but what if your next EV can charge much faster? It might be wise to install a charger with a higher amperage now. For instance, installing a 40 amp or 48 amp charger, even if your current car only uses 30 amps. This can save you money and hassle later. You will avoid needing to upgrade your charger and potentially your wiring. This is called future-proofing your installation. It is a smart, long-term investment. Finally, remember that installing a 240-volt Level 2 charger is not a DIY project. You must hire a qualified and certified electrician. They will ensure the installation is safe. They will also make sure it complies with all local electrical codes. This is crucial for your home safety and the charger's warranty. Smart charging features, as mentioned, can save you money on electricity bills. They also help balance the load on the power grid. By considering all these points, you can choose the perfect EV charger. This will ensure many years of happy and convenient electric driving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in electric car technology.